So today we have the first look at the commercial images that Samsung will use at the launch of the foldable smartphones on July the 10th this year. This image was leaked by a website called /leaks. As you can see, it shows the two phones semi-folded, which gives us a confirmation of the new design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its previously leaked camera ring design. As for the Z Flip 6, it looks fairly the same except for the new highlighted rings on the cameras on the back of the phone. And if you want to take a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, make sure to watch this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.